hope you all are having a wonderful beginning of the year. I hope this year brings you all so much prosperity, so much happiness, so much love and blessings. Speaking of love, y'all, it is almost Valentine's Day, so we have got to, glam things up for Valentine's Day. This is a perfect time for love. We're going to do a Valentine's Day DIY week. Just a full week of Valentine's Day DIYs. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into this DIY. We are going to make a tray and some candle holders to go with the tray. So the first thing we're going to use is our mirror from Dollar Tree. These two are from some picture frames that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use our glue gun glue sticks. We're going to use these napkin rings from Dollar Tree. We're going to use these little pretty roses from Dollar Tree. We are also going to use these cute little gems from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree got it going on, y'all. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make this the base. And we're going to take these napkin rings and we are going to kind of like do them in a design. I'm going to try to get this as straight as I can, y'all. Y'all know, I ain't good at all this, but I'm going to try to. Okay, y'all, I'm going to use this diamond wrap to go like in between the lines on the napkin ring so that it can camouflage it a little bit, making it look more glam instead of like napkin rings. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how it should look so far. I think it is already gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use these mirrors that came on well, there were picture frames. So, well, not picture frames, just mirrors, I guess, decor from Dollar Tree. So all we're going to do is glue these on to each other. Try to get them as straight as I possibly can. Y'all know how I do. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take some of the gems and glue the gems to the sides of the mirrors. Now, for this, you want to try to get them as close as you can, but I want to leave where, let's see, I want to leave this out a little bit so I can just at least go in and turn this little light on. So that is probably going to be towards the back. So. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around here and stick these gems on. I guess the best way to do it is like this. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these gems. Stick them on the outside of the mirrors. Okay, Glam Fam, so I went on ahead and put all of the gems around here. I'm gonna clean it off, y'all. So the next thing I want to do is I want to kind of just, you know, glam it up a little bit. So I'm going to use this wrap. And I'm going to go around the edges, if I can, with the diamond wrap. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and glue the top onto the bottom part. We're gonna glue this on top. So hopefully, y'all, I get it in the middle as much as I can. Y'all know how I am. So what I'm gonna do is add a little bit more glue to the edges to secure it. If you were going to make this to keep or whatever, then yes, you would definitely need to use some more kind of glue. And I think I didn't get it too much in the middle. I think this is probably, let's see. Y'all know I'm trying to get it in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to hold this on here until it dries or whatever, and then I'll come back and let y'all see it. Glamfam, so we're going to go ahead and make our candle holder. So we're going to use this little serving cup. We're going to use this round mirror, this acrylic round piece. We're going to use this tea light candle, the napkin rings, glue sticks, and we're going to use some of our wrap. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and glue the mirror down to the acrylic piece. We're going to take our gems. I forgot we're going to use our gems again. And we're going to go ahead and go around the acrylic piece. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how the candle holder turns out. I know it's a little bit like lopsided or whatever, y'all, but y'all get the idea of how it's supposed to look. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our candle holders and our tiered tray turned out, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It sets that ambiance for a romantic evening. Y'all, this would go great on like a table if you are, doing your Valentine's Day decor. This would be perfect. Y'all, don't forget that all this week I will be doing Valentine's Day DIYs. So come back to this channel for more of that. But if you like this, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.